How to make a Spotify artist account. In order to do that, head over to artist.spotify.com and you can see this. So what we can do is you can just scroll down right here and click onto this Let's Go option. Now, once you have clicked on it, you can see in here this one. So what you can do is you can first record the clip and you can do all the steps right here. So for example, right here, you just click onto this record clip and then upload this clip on the Spotify right there. So let's go right here and then let's do this clips that we have. Now for this one, you can click on this update your profile if you haven't have any yet. So for this one, you can just scroll down all through this page. They actually have a lot of documentation on this because they have a lot of things to know for this one. But essentially, if you're already logged in into your Spotify account, it will also be recognized as a Spotify artist account as well. So that's how you make a Spotify artist account. Hope we help.